guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. It's Saturday. They say it's going to be 88 degrees. It's only like 9:30 right now, and I'm telling you, it's going to be a cooker today. Even though 88 doesn't seem like it's all too hot, you know how you feel. Sometimes it says it's 88, but it feels like 100. You know what I mean? And it's going to be one of those days I'm going to try not to work. But today, somebody texted me and said, "Hey, I need a lawnmower. Bad. Ours just conked out. We need to mow the lawn. It's the weekend." Most people don't have time to mow their lawn unless it's the weekend, you know? So they desperately need this. Then they were looking at my listings on Facebook Marketplace and said, "Oh, I see you sell a lot of stuff. Can we come over and check out all your snowblowers and your lawnmowers?" And I get that a lot sometimes. But honestly, do you want people coming to your house like you're a Home Depot or something? Kicking the tires, walking around your house, looking at all your shit, you know what I mean? I said, sorry, I'm not a store. I don't want people coming over my house like I'm a store, you know what I mean? Pick the one you think you might be interested in, and I'll bring it to the church. The church is where big parking lot, public area, so that I could, you know, do the transaction there. That way nobody knows exactly where I live, which is a good thing. Anyway, so they're interested in this. My lawn boy that I fixed with a Kohler 6.5 on it. The only thing wrong with it was I had to change the recoil starter, the pull rope, and I made a air filter base cover for the air filter, you know. Other than that, I think it was good. Anyway, I'm bringing it to the church now, but I want to make sure it starts first. It's been sitting in my garage since I fixed it, probably 2 or 3 weeks. It's an auto choke. Dum-dum-dum. Strong, smooth, no hesitation. It's a good mower. I have it listed for $145, so hopefully we'll get at least $125 for it, but we'll see what happens. Let's see you at the church. Why do I have to park so close? Idiot! Never ends, fellas. I'm always busy. Always. You don't get a day off. Oh! It's either fixing things or selling things. But that's the hustle. If you're just sitting around on your couch all day, it's not called a hustle, right? And there he goes. So, very cool guy. He apparently wants to buy more shit. He was asking me about my listings. He saw snowblowers. His wife wants a snowblower, so I'll probably try to sell him a snowblower. I mean, we got plenty of time. It's not even close to being cold, you know what I mean? And then he was asking me about a weed whacker. The only other weed whacker I have to sell, I guess, is the big brush cutter with the bicycle handles on it. You know, that thing I got on a review that I did a while back. It's a 42cc weed whacker engine. It's the biggest weed whacker engine I've ever seen. Anyway, he's going to take the mower he just bought, the Kohler 6.5 lawn boy with the bagger. He gave me full price, $145. I told him the recession and all. I'm cheaper than Jason at Pate's Performance, so you got to go with me. Jason sells his shit like double the price of what I sell it for, you know, and he sells them too, so, you know, mud on my face, right, for not raising my prices. But either way, selling one is a good day for me always, and maybe the guy will buy my brush cutter later. I have it listed for, I don't even have it listed. I was going to keep it for myself. It was nice, you know, brand new, but I think I'll sell it for like $150 to the guy, but then I won't have a weed whacker. Hey, so it's the next day, and today is a scorcher. It's not a scorcher, it's a scorcher. Anyway, I don't know what it is with people, man. Do they wait until the heart of summer to start mowing your lawn? You must have it like 2 feet high by now. Got another bite on selling my Troy-built self-propelled mower that I fixed a little while ago, and it's auto choke. It just doesn't have a bag, but it works good. Front self-propelled. I'm gonna go meet him at the church where I usually do my public meeting transactions, and I'm selling this mower. Pretty good mower, you know, good wheels, self-propulsion works. It's the Briggs Quantum 6.5 auto choke. It's just missing the bag is all, and it has that type of handle, you know. Anyway, I have it listed for $150. I know it was a little high, but I did it only because there was a lot of room for negotiation. So of course you have these guys, these yahoos, who ask you, what's last price? And I says, well, theoretically, the last price is the price that I wrote down. That's what I want. That's the last price, right? But you know what I'm talking about. They just want a break. Guy was going back and forth with me. I say 125. He goes, oh, 110, 115, 120. I'm like, you know what? I've just wasted $5 worth of time with you, you know? 125, that's it. You want it? Good. You don't want it? Forget about it. He goes, okay, 125, I'll meet you there. Guy sounded like kind of a dick, you know what I'm saying? So we'll see if we sell it. There we go, the dude with the Tacoma. So I was a little annoyed because today it's hotter than hell. I mean, it's freaking hot, man. And the guy, his English wasn't so good, you know what I mean? So when I was writing white van, church, parking lot, he was at the house like across the street. I told him white van. I even tried to speak Spanish a little. I say Blanco Vano. And he eventually got it. So like 5-10 minutes later, he pulls up in the Tacoma, you know, and he comes over. His English was very, very choppy. I mean, I had to whip out my high school Spanish just to try to keep up, you know what I mean? But going back and forth with the price before, but then when he got here, nice guy, whatever, it's just his English was horrible, you know what I mean? But anyway, 125 as agreed, took it away, and I sold another mower. Second mower in 2 days, which is great. And if you count selling stuff, it's selling the Snowblower for ammunition, the green lawn boy yesterday, and the Troy-built self-propelled today. So making some money in consecutive days, which is always a great time. You know what I mean? I'll see you guys later.
Next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Later.